If you've got a female dog in heat or just one that needs a little extra leak protection, these might be the most secure and cute solution that I've found. This set comes with 3 washable diapers that are soft, super absorbent, and comes with adjustable suspenders, which is the game changer if your dog's ever slipped one off. The inside has this quick absorb cotton core, and the outside is leak-proof but still breathable. Putting this on was easy. You just slide it over the tail and legs, fasten the Velcro around the waist, and then adjust the suspenders so it stays snug but not tight. Kira is wearing the size medium, and I love that the leg openings are cotton lined, so it's comfy for her to walk, sit, or even nap. I love how it hasn't bunched even though she's been walking around the house. There's no slipping, no weird bunching, and no mess. Whether it's for heat or incontinence, these reusable diapers are so worth it, and it's a win in my house. They're easy to wash, and they come in fun colors. I definitely recommend that you go and check it out.